Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You already have the app. Now begin. Open the short you want to build on, tap the three-dot menu and choose Use Sound or Create when shown. Make sure the clip's audio is reusable or you have permission. This prevents strikes later. Once done, record a new clip or import footage immediately so the chosen audio pins to your editor. You're starting the process now, so keep clips short and focused to match Short's quick pace and viewer expectations. Once you have audio and bass clips, edit with intention. Trim aggressively to the strongest 5 to 20 seconds and arrange clips so the visual hook appears within the first 1-3 seconds. Add captions and timed text for scannability, then use speed ramps or filters to emphasize moments. Make sure your audio syncs to visible beats. Lower background volume if you speak. Export a quick preview and rewatch. Small timing shifts make the difference between scroll past and rewatch. Finalize metadata and publish. Pick visibility, write a concise title, and add tags that match search intent. Once live, watch retention and comments within the first 24 hours to see if viewers replay or drop off. Use that data to tweak future shorts. If you receive a copyright block, don't panic. Either request permission from the creator, switch to a royalty-free or YouTube audio, or re-edit the clip to remove restricted material.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.